trotters making their ice tub debut.
Okay, I'm going on a hike. Oh yeah, we're doing it. We're vacationing and taking a hike. You better believe it. Okay, tell the vlog about this hike. What are we hiking? What is it?
This is just a hike here in Palmas. It's one of the more gorgeous sights. You can actually, when you're at the top, you'll be able to see most of Palmas, and you'll see the ocean, over 180 degrees of ocean.
Ew.
Beautiful private beaches.
Man,
like, when I say private, I mean you and whoever else you want to bring, and then usually that's it.
Nice. And it's how long?
It's about 2.5, 3 hours.
3 hours.
We've actually done it 6.5 hours. So you can keep going over to the neighboring towns through the mountains. But what's good is that you can pick fruits while you're going, like mangoes, and eat. My brother came in last year and we picked mangoes for we went for a 6-hour hike. Nobody was hungry. We had no food, nothing, just water. Because all we did was have pick mangoes, and when we got home, we had about 50 mangoes in the back sack. Right? So.
I imagine at night this is like just pitch black.
Oh,
like,
it's pitch black. Ain't nobody walking out here. As soon as the sun goes down, there are no cars parked over here. Nothing.
Oh, that would be so scary. I'm pretty sure somebody has tried it.
Oh, my wife and I did.
What?
We were at the top. She wanted to go late. I know it's during the Maria time. And she was sitting there just enjoying the view. She was so happy. And then I said to her, do you know that it's going to be dark within half an hour? And if we're not, these roads are all full of woods. It's going to be hard to get through. We found ourselves she was like, okay, let's go. We found ourselves coming down the mountainside, inside all the woods, just climbing through trees and all kinds of other things, climbing through down trees in the dark. Wow. I said, I told you, girl.
Okay, y'all, so that's where we're going. Y'all see that little dot up there? That's where we're going. To the top.
But 3 miles, like right now, this is the nice, easy part. Later on, it's uphill.
So, it's gonna take us a while. About 3 hours to do it. But we're going to the top. Can we take it to the top? We can never stop. If the baby can do it, I can do it.
That's right. That's right. She's not even 2.5.
Y'all look at that. It's termites. That is so cool. All right, so we're going up this hill. You know, we're doing it. We're doing it. All the way to the top, baby. Hollywood Boulevard hike. Hollywood Boulevard was like more so of a trail. Am I sweating? I got like sweat.
Nah, you ain't got no booty sweat yet.
No, got a booty sweat. I know I got the booty sweat. I'm gonna have to air these babies out. I'm gonna get real personal. Real close and personal. And we're family at this point.
Look at that, y'all. Right there. See it?
What did I tell you about being private?
Okay, this hike is getting intense, y'all.
You gotta weigh yourself to get back.
Man, it's getting intense. Where did they go? Oh, look at that. It's a hermit crab. See it? Whew. Man, we we made it. Alright. Made it to the top.
Oh, get up on that platform.
Hey, give me these little ass water bottles. It is 8 ounces. I don't play like that. I don't play like that. Here to see big reveal. Stopping for mangoes on the hike. It doesn't get more organic than this, baby. What are you doing? Ah, stop! I already just showed y'all where we're staying, but this is where we're staying. This is Tony's parents' house. Isn't it beautiful? Like, goals, huh? Goals. Palm trees. I think now this little cold plunge doesn't sound too bad after that hike. Oh, she is camera ready. I think we found your niche. You like the camera. Up this little view. Of course, they're fixing all of that. Oh, I didn't even know they had this little seating area. But they're renovating all of that. It's just gonna be so nice. We may play a little truth or dare down there when it gets dark. Y'all see this?
Ready for a poker game tonight.
Oh my goodness. Ron will have no clue. But he's a fast learner. He's a fast learner.
It took me a couple of months to get going.
You'll get it. You guys behave yourselves.
Yeah. Ain't much to do here.
I got this, Miss Arlene. I'll make sure. I'll set the rules down tonight.
For the ladies or for the men? For the guys? Just for the guys, right? Ladies got no rule. Let me fix this.
Yes, for the guys. It's ladies' night. Ladies' night. We're gonna go have some fun. Y'all, isn't just the cutest thing? Like, this whole little lane for the golf cart. It's just, I love it. I'm gonna try to start it in our neighborhood. They're gonna be like, what the hell is she doing? Golf carts. I'm gonna see if the rest of the neighborhood catches on. They'll be like, no, we're not doing that. Like some food, I got stuck in my throat. But I wanted to show y'all like my little bug bites. Y'all see it well. I wanted to show y'all all my little bug bites from the hike today. Y'all see that? And I don't know if I can show y'all this without exposing my boob, but I know what I can do. Look at that. Oh yeah, there it is. All these bug bites. And then I think I got some on my back. Yeah. Tore me up on that hike. I don't even like really, I don't have any on this side, which is so crazy. Look, I don't have any on this side. They're just all on this side. So, Miss Arlene just gave me some vinegar to rub on it. So I'm gonna do that. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't itch. I don't even like feel it. I didn't really know it was there until I like looked in the mirror after I took a shower. And oh, that kind of burns a little bit. Let me see, does it burn if I don't? If I like on regular skin? Oh, now I smell like vinegar. Now I gotta go out there and smell like vinegar. God dog it. Oh, that's weird. I should do this at night. I'm gonna wait till it's time for me to go to bed. Now I smell like vinegar. Great. Just great.
First thing you want to do is breath of fire. Breath of fire is a yoga, it's a Kundalini yoga thing, but there are different yogas that use it. But Kundalini is mostly very fired up kind of yoga. What that does is warm up your inside. So breath of fire is just breathe in. When you feel that cold, you're going to want to breathe in and out because that's going to help put some heat in your body. Now, you want to put your hands down here. The Iceman videos that I watched, he said you can actually feel the heat. Now you get in there at 54, you don't feel anything. But after a little bit, you start feeling the heat coming up through your palms and in your legs. Now, not a lot of heat, but compared to what you're feeling on the outside, you can feel that heat. So you want to use that to focus on and concentrate. So, you're going to need it. Trust me, it's worth it.
Just the first minute is the battle. It's a warfare for 1 minute. Once you pass that, you'll be numb and you'll be good. It gets easy after the minute. So just think, battle for 1 minute mentally and you're good. You can handle anything for a minute.
Easily, you can turn that into 6, 7. The longer you hold, the more heat that you can create, as long as you're comfortable. The final one that I'm going to your heart rate. So what you want to do in there while you're doing all of this is try to relax. The more you relax, the easier it'll get. So final one is breathe in 7, breathe out 11. And I'll tell you at that point what to do. And the clock starts as soon as you all get in. You can walk in backwards slowly and get in. So as soon as you both are in, I start the clock. Don't delay, because you know how painful it is when you delay getting into the cold water outside of the pool. You just gotta go and do it.
All right, here we go, the trotters.
Let's go.
Making their ice tub debut.
Squat right away and start your breathing. Breath of fire. 10, you're in. Squat down. Breath of fire on your legs. Put your palms on your legs.
You guys got it.
Now breathe.
These boys, these two is beasts. They some animals.
Push that air out. Push it. And try to feel that heat on those thighs. In about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, you'll start to feel it a little bit. Come on, push that. Breathe like you mean it. It's a concentration mental exercise, all it is.
And it's nice meditation. gangsters.
You're now officially halfway through.
The Trotter gangsters.
You can go to your breathing squares of 7, or you can go through the 7, 11, and just relax. Just relax your body. Any inflammation in your body right now is being severely reduced by the cold water. And you're going to feel super after this. So you're more than halfway done now. So the last challenge for you is when you get to 10, dive under the water. Just sink right straight down under the water. That's the last challenge. You want to do it. But if you got 10, you're good.
We don't want to do it for the hair. It'll mess up the hair, Steph. Yeah, we don't want to mess up the eyes and the hair. Duran can do it.
That's good. That's good. Keep going. That means it makes you feel like a warrior. Yeah, embrace that music.
Yep.
He's already joking.
Yeah.
He's already joking.
After that 5 minutes, it's nice. It's actually really nice.
When I move, it like starts over.
Yeah.
Cold starts over. Oh, wait.
Yeah, if you like raise your arms, you'll feel it.
What he's doing is very difficult for the first time. He's done ice baths before. When you lift up,
Yeah, you feel that.
All right, now have to get out.
oh, you're doing really good. You guys
This
have
is what couples do when they go away and they have no kids. They do crazy stuff.
like this. Spread them out little by little, little by little. That's it.
That happens.
You got it. See? I didn't even do that the first time. I like to.
That's a power couple right
Yo,
there.
yo. You can also go down to your neck. Hit that neck because it'll release the stress on your neck. Really will help. You got 45 seconds, so if you ain't gonna go under, you might as well get your neck in there.
He trying to push it.
No. When time's up, when I say time's up, you just dump yourself in, come back up. It's a great feeling. The cold just takes over your whole body. Time's up! Work it out, work it out. Go down the bar!
Well done. Well done.
Awesome.
Dang.
Somebody get warmed up.
Well done.
That's a champ right there.
Not bad, guys. Knocked it out. What'd you think about that, Steph?
I really had to like tell myself like, Steph, you've worked in colder offices than this.
Not bad, Duran?
Well, he went under after 10.
That was nice.
Thank you, Tony, for all your encouragement.
He didn't say they didn't go to Puerto Rico and have great experiences. 10 minutes. Just walk in and
Come on,
walk down
Crystal.
and immediately start your breath of fire. That's what it's called.
Look at
As soon as
those
you get in
guns,
there,
though.
I
It's not gonna bother her one bit.
All right, the bottoms are in.
Okay, here we go.
All right, come on, Chris.
Feels
Take
good.
your breath of fire and squat and do your breathing. Hands on your legs to try to feel that heat. There you go.
Too strong mentally. That water ain't got nothing on you.
Breathe in.
Turning into yogis over here. Master yogi.
When you're ready, you can switch to the 5, and start to really relax in the water and focus your brain on getting heat from feeling the heat in your palms as you're breathing. Relaxation and feeling that heat. That allows your brain to concentrate. Concentrate on the music. See, I'm telling you, look at her.
3 C-sections, she got this.
Chilling.
3 C-sections.
Just that relaxation. Keep relaxing. Do your breathing. Focus on your music. You're all right. You all got this.
Now my body is heated in the first 7 seconds. I put my hands together and I'm warm. Yeah.
Okay, we gotta see the food in the front.
That's all they food's put together.
On the rainforest walk to the river. Like we're going to the lake. No, they've been calling it a river, not a lake. We are truly in the rainforest. Like the real rainforest, like the ones you read about in like the books in elementary school. We're in the rainforest.
In the woods.
Nice.
You too?
These are true trees.
You don't document it, never happened.
Well, you just get a copy from her.
Exactly.
I'd be like, you ain't leaving here until I get a copy.
Full disclosure, what happens when you're walking into the rainforest and you really have to take a shit?
Wait.
Put that on your blog.
I'm just saying, I mean, I'm like really gotta take a shit.
Oh, no.
Into this rainforest.
Oh, you're asking for personal reference?
I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. That's a big one.
Pretty. This is and then we got this one. It looks good. It smells good. It smells good. It smells like Ow, I bit my lip. Ow. It's good. I like it. Ready? Why you take such a big bite? That's good. Yeah, you don't care for that one?
The texture.
Huh?
The texture is weird. What would I win?
I believe so.
No de coco, uno de paisa.
Mojito Lab? I believe so.
No, that's not it.
No, you gotta introduce yourself first. Introduce yourself. Say hi. Hi. I'm Ziba.
They're in tax.
Hello.
So there's a steakhouse in Palmas.
Over here.
We're already hard at work. I'm
Sad. It's so sad.
Yeah, Stephanie, our employee, said she was watching those videos, but she
On
has...
Instagram, she said
I
I
was
saw
sure.
the Plunge videos are boy.
Oh my goodness. So we are, where we at? Where we at? We're like a beach club thing, finna get some dinner before, not dinner, lunch before the airport. He's getting closer. It look like he playing with him. Oh, look at the view. Can you imagine what this is like on a Friday or Saturday night? So when y'all do go to Puerto Rico, I would definitely suggest hitting up this spot because, you know, this could probably get really wild. This is a Monday morning, so it's expected for it to look like this. And so we're about to eat.
How you doing?
We're about to grub.
Our last meal in Puerto Rico. Yep.
Well, I'm really glad that I'm like working with you guys. Yeah.
So if you really gonna need that on YouTube.
Didn't even have a pork chop over here? Oh, there it is.
Another soda water.
Of course.
And then maybe just one more of these.
Pork chop. Like, why would a pork chop be that? Yeah, I'm gonna make sure he doesn't eat
I'm not
all of
eating
that.
all this.